Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am so excited because I'll be doing a collaboration with the beautiful and gorgeous, amazing AndraMe04. Hopefully I get it right. I met her here on YouTube. On Andra's channel, she does makeup, DIY, fashion hauls, and all those fancy things for you wonderful ladies. She's an amazing girl. She's from Romania, but she does a lot of her videos in English. So go over to Andra's channel and show Andra a lot of love. Subscribe to her channel if you love makeup and DIY and fashion hauls. She does all of that. Andra is amazing. We met here on YouTube and we stay connected. We chit chat a lot, and she is in love with my family and I love her so much. So we decided to do a collaboration on my everyday makeup look. I am not a makeup artist by any means. I just enjoy doing my own makeup, and I think I do my makeup different from everybody else because I don't use too much products. I don't use all of the fanciness because I don't know how to do all those fancy things, but I really enjoy doing my own makeup. And this video, a lot of my subscribers has been asking me how I do my everyday makeup look, so it was a perfect opportunity for me to do this collaboration with Andra. Girl, I love you so much, and thanks for doing this collaboration with me. So without further ado, go over to Andra's channel at Andra's everyday makeup look, the collaboration that we're doing together, and share all the love in the world and tell her that Melissa sent you. Okay, so here we go. So all I did first was rub my moisturizer on my face to make my face not so dry. Normally for my brows, I'd use my Revlon tweezer and tweeze the hairs and let it shape to the shape of my natural brow. So that's all I did to my brows. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with my process. I'm going to be using two different types of foundation because I realized that the foundation that I use don't really match my skin tone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend two different foundations. So I'll be using the Color Perfect liquid foundation, and I'll be also be using the L'Oreal Paris Accord Parfait. Most of my makeup is in French because I live in France, so that's my reason, but they're both L'Oreal brand. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with this one. And what I'm going to do, and if I'm not looking at you guys directly, that's because I'm looking in the mirror. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the point of the brush, and I'm just going to put some spots all over my face, the amount that I think I desire. And then I'm going to use the other one and I'm going to do the same thing. And when I do it like this, it blends in very easily, and it gives me the exact shade that I want, but I don't put too much. Okay. Ooh, shawty. Alright, and then I'm going to use my beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend this into my face real quick. A lot of people start with their eyebrows first from tutorials that I watch, but I just do my makeup how it works for me. I'm not a makeup artist, so I just do what works. And this is how I do my makeup every single day. I've never changed my routine. I've always stick to this routine, and that's what works for me. So I'm just going to blend this out really good. So now that I have blended that out, I'm going to be using my Pro Concealer to conceal under my eyes. And I'm going to be using this beauty blender this time to make that blending nicely under my eyes and take away all this dark spot that I have going on here. And I'm not the kind of person who use all these different type of products on my face. I just make it simple, use what I have, and I'm not fussy about whatever I use. I just make it work for me. Okay, and now that I do that, I'm going to be using my soft focus finish powder, which looks like this, and I'm just going to be putting this all over my face. Like I told you guys, I'm not the kind of person who use all these different contouring and soft powder and all that things on my face. I like to keep it simple, and since I am no makeup artist, I just do my makeup to suits me really. But I love doing my own makeup. I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. My eyebrows, I always do my face first before I do my eyebrows. So I'm going to do my eyebrows now, and I'm going to be using two different pencils. I'm going to be using the brown pencil and the dark pencil, but you'll see exactly where the dark pencil comes in. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows with the brown pencil, and I'm just going to follow the shape of my brows. Now that I get my brows situated with the brown, I always like my brows a little bit darker. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use my dark pencil, and I'm just going to go over this, but I'm not going to come to the front. I'm just going to do it to the middle section, because I just want it to pop a little bit more. So I'm just making the middle a little bit more dark, like that. Now what I'm gonna do with my brows is that I'm gonna be using my Pro Concealer and this little small brush right here, and I'm going to be just cleaning up my brows really nicely. So I'm just gonna take a little, and I'm going to be putting it under my brows just to clean this up, make it look really neat. For my brows, you guys, that's my easy process that I normally use for my brows. And I am not an eyeshadow kind of person. I don't normally put eyeshadow on, but now for the eyes, I am going to use my dark pencil to do under my eyes. That's it for under my eyes. And oh, I look like I'm crying. And now all I'm going to do to the top of my eyes is put some mascara on, and the mascara that I'm using, Volumineux Original by L'Oreal Paris. This is what it looks like, and I'll be just putting some mascara on my eyes because I do not wear eyelashes. And why I do not wear eyelashes is because I suck at putting them on. So I just leave it alone. The only time I can remember wearing eyelashes is on my wedding day. And that's because I didn't do my makeup on my wedding day. Why am I crying this morning though? My eyes literally running water right now. That's what my eyes look like. And then for my lips, I'm just going to put some lip gloss on before I do my lips. And for my everyday lip, I would normally I would put on my lip gloss and leave my lip gloss, or I would put on a nude color. But since I'm heading out on the road right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this red on. I'm gonna be blending two color. I'm gonna be blending this Nika K New York red lipstick, and then I'll be putting this Infallible Pro Matte Glass L'Oreal Paris over it, which is this color. So I'll be putting the red first to get the look that I'm going for. That is the shade that I was working for, and it turns out really cute. And now what I'm gonna add is my setting spray, and I'm just gonna shake this up and then spray it over my face. So this is the final look of my everyday makeup look. Hopefully you guys like it, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and welcome to my channel and to my family. Catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.